Across a desolate, barren valley. It's eerily silent, with the sun casting long shadows over a landscape filled with scattered bones. The wind whispers through the emptiness, stirring the dust. The prophet Ezekiel stands alone, gazing upon a sea of dry bones, a valley of death, lifeless, forgotten, forsaken. The sky darkens as a voice pierces through the stillness, a voice unlike any other.
Son of man, can these bones live?
Sovereign Lord, only you know.
Suddenly the wind picks up, whipping through the valley, causing the bones to rattle. A sense of anticipation builds. The atmosphere is electric.
Prophesy to these bones. Say to them, dry bones, hear the word of the Lord. I will make breath enter you, and you will come to life.
Eyes widening, lifting hands. Hear the word of the Lord.
As he speaks, the ground beneath him trembles. The bones begin to move, first one, then another, shaking and clattering as they rush together in a spine-chilling symphony. And then it begins. The bones come together, bone to bone, forming a skeletal army rising from the dust. But it's not enough. They remain lifeless. With intensity, they remain lifeless. Covered with sinews, flesh and skin, yet still without life. Ezekiel stands before them, waiting for what comes next.
Prophesy to the breath, Son of man. Say to it, come from the four winds, O breath, and breathe into these slain that they may live.
Come from the four winds, O breath, and breathe into these slain that they may live.
As he speaks, a powerful gust of wind roars through the valley. The wind rushes from all directions, north, south, east, and west, gathering around the lifeless forms. The breath of life is summoned from the heavens, and it enters them. An army that once lay dead in the dust now stands resurrected by the word of the Lord. A vision of hope for Israel, a promise to God's people that even in the depths of despair, life can be breathed back into the lifeless. For what seems dead, God can revive.
I will put my spirit in you, and you will live. I will settle you in your own land. Then you will know that I, the Lord, have spoken, and I have done it.
This is the Valley of Dry Bones, a revelation of God's power to restore life and to restore hope. This retelling of Ezekiel 37 brings the vision to life, building suspense and energy as the miraculous transformation unfolds.